Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the free stuff I got from Temu. Is it Temu or Timun? I don't know how it's pronounced, but yeah, I'm trying to show you if you can see the whole pack. Yeah, this is the box I got. So a couple of weeks ago a friend of mine asked me to accept one link she sent to me on WhatsApp that she'll get free stuff. At first I thought it was a scam, so I was like, it's a scam, and she was like, oh no, blessing, it does work. So I accepted that link, and then I was given an option to choose 5 free gifts and pay for 3, making it 8 in total. So yes guys, to my surprise, this box came in this morning, and let's do an unboxing. So let's start with the glass cup. I think this is a glass cup. So let's start with this one. Wow, this is really cute. I don't know if you can see properly. See? Oh, this is so nice. For smoothie, cold juice, and it comes with this lid on, and also a glass straw. Wow, this is nice. Next up is this one. I'm a little bit disappointed, even if it's free, because on the picture it looks way bigger. Maybe I forgot to check the actual measurement. So here, so this is it. It's like 6 in 1. So you've got 1. Oh, see, this is nice. So you've got like 1 and the cover underneath. So this is 1, and you got like 2, and the last one 3. This is going to be really, it will come in very handy for vegetables, fruits, and you know, maybe you're trying to do small. When you're cooking, you just need like small, maybe 1 cup of rice. It's little quantity, so you can just use this. This is really nice. I love this. Wow, this is nice. Next up is going to be this one. This is denim sneakers, the other one. I'm going to try this out. Maybe then I'll insert the picture in when I do, because I haven't got much space here to work with. So this is really nice. So here. So next is this travel. It's called 6-piece travel storage bag. Yeah, this one. So let's open and see. I don't know if you can see. It's really nice. So this is one, obviously. One. It's not that big as I thought it would be, but yeah, you can still fit in a few things. Maybe shirts or something. So I'm looking forward to this one. This one is the travel bag. Happy flights to your dream city. That's nice. Let's open this one. Because going on holiday with kids, your traditional handbag is not just enough, because you need to pack like diapers, food, snack, you know, the one that they get to eat immediately when you arrive at the airport or when going to the airport. Wow, this is nice. I like the picture. I don't know if you can see from afar. Yeah, you see, it's absolutely nice. And you also have a wash bag. This is very important when you're traveling, because you get to secure your liquid, you know, your cream, your face, your skincare products, and without leaking as well, so it will leak out to the rest of the bag. No, this is nice, and it's in pink. Who doesn't love pink, to be honest? Who doesn't love pink at this point? So yeah, you the camera is not doing justice to this pink. It's that kind of, it's not too pink, more of like baby pink. So yeah, this is the wash bag, and it's absolutely stunning. I love this. Last but not the least is this vegetable chopper. Guys, I've been seeing this thing on TikTok and Instagram, you know, when you just put your stuff and I'll open it so that you see. So I'm very excited to use this one. Hopefully it works. So I'm just going to open. Super fed up. Oh, because I know when the guy who brought it came in, he just dropped it on the floor. Hopefully it's not inside though. Oh, it came in broken. See, I'm not happy about this at all. I think I'm going to request for a refund, or better still replacement. See, it's broken. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I was really hoping to try this today. The way the Korean guy just put the thing on the floor. Oh my goodness. Anyways, this is what it looks like. The inner one, the accessories are different. This one is one you hold to grapes. Yeah, different. They all came in, but it is broken. I'm not really happy about it. So, and this is the cover. So yes, that's everything, guys. I'm just going to request for a replacement for this, and here you have it, guys. Everything came in on time, even before. I think they said it was going to come by 28th. Well, today's date is 23, so it came in 5 days early. And yeah, I'm very impressed. Outside of the chopper that was damaged, everything came out nice, and I love it. So yes, guys, it is real. It is not a scam. Try it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my unboxing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So after I finished recording the video, I went straight to the app to ask for a refund. Guys, the process was seamless. They asked for an evidence for me to upload either a picture or a video, of which I did, and within 10 seconds they refunded £12, which was actually shocking considering that it was a free gift. So they refunded £12 as more of a credit. So whenever I'm going to order anything from them, I'll just use it or add to it and buy whatever I need to buy. So that's it, guys. Their customer service was perfect. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.